Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class, children. As you all know that we are revising Essay 1 syllabus, that is third lesson Hasmina's Kite. So in the previous class we have discussed about Hasmina, Saif and their father. Hasmina and Saif wanted to fly the kites and they used to live in an apartment called Ajanta Apartments. So what they decided? They decided to fly the kites. So they took their father to the kite shop and Hasmina said that she want which kite? Which color kite? Yes, red kite with the green tail. Hasmina's kite it was. And Saif want blue kite with the yellow tail. So they started flying the kites on the next day. So let us see the remaining part of the lesson. Sharmaji was an old man with a bent nose. Sometimes he wore black glasses. Sometimes Sharmaji sat still and closed his eyes. Sometimes he sang songs. Now Sharmaji was walking up and down on the terrace. So what happened here, children? Sharmaji is having a bent nose. Okay, and he used to wear black glasses, goggles. And he was sitting on the roof, on the floor, and he closed his eyes. Then he started singing the songs. And after he wake up, he started walking up and down to the stairs on the terrace. Then, look at all those kites, said Hasmina. Those kites are very colorful. Hasmina said, look at those kites. Those are very colorful. So many people were flying kites at Ajanta Apartments and from the roofs of other buildings. So as you can see, these are the neighbors. They are also flying the kites. Alright. Then Hasmina's and Saif's kites flew in the wind. The kites looked lovely. Here lovely is nothing but beautiful, pretty. Alright. So they started flying the kites and the kites flew in the wind. They looked so beautiful. And there was a tall boy on the roof of Skyline Apartments. One boy was standing on the roof of Skyline Apartments. What is his name? Let us see. And he had a black kite. This boy is having a black kite. Okay, the tall boy. Then Sharmaji stopped walking. He watched the black kite. Suddenly, the black kite came near Saif's kite. So as you can see here, the black kite came near to the Saif's kite. Then the tall boy laughed. Ha ha ha. I'll cut down your kite, he called. The tall boy said that I will cut down Saif's kite. Then go away, shouted Saif. Saif started shouting that just go away from here. Don't cut my kite. But the black kite cut Saif's string. The blue and yellow kite fell down. Saif started to cry. So who cutted the kite of Saif's? Yeah, the tall boy has cut down the kite of Saif's. Just then Saif felt a hand on his shoulder. It was Sharmaji. Then as he started crying, the Sharmaji came from the back and he kept hand on his shoulder. Then who was he? It was Sharmaji. So can I help? He asked. Sharmaji asked Saif, can I help you? Then I am good at flying kites. Sharmaji said, I am very good at flying kites. Then Hasmina gave her kite to Sharmaji. Hasmina is also having a red kite, right? So she gave to Sharmaji. The tall boy's kite came near Hasmina's kite. Now the tall boy started to cut down the Hasmina's kite. Then the tall boy laughed. Ha ha ha. I'll cut down your kite, Hasmina. Then Hasmina started crying. No, don't cut my kite. Then Sharmaji said, no, he won't cut. Now the black kite turned. The red kite turned. Now both of the kites came together and they started cutting down each other. The tall boy stopped laughing. Pull, called Sharmaji. Sharmaji said to Hasmina, come on, pull. Then Hasmina and Sharmaji pulled the string together. They started flying the kite. Then suddenly, the black kite started to fall. As you can see here, the black kite started to fall. The children cheered. Here, cheered is nothing but shouted with joy. Children, whenever you fly the kites and you cut someone's kite, you will be feeling very happy, right? So in this way, the Hasmina and Saif also started cheering with joy. Then Sharmaji became a good friend. Soon the children became good at flying kites. So what happened here? Whose kite has been cutted here? Yes, the tall boy's kite has been cutted by Sharmaji. It was of Hasmina's kite. Okay, children? Alright. Now, let us see the question answer part. Read these lines and answer the questions. First one, you can go to the roof of our apartment building. So, who was going to the roof? Who was going to the roof, children? Yes, Hasmina and Saif were going to the roof. Hasmina and Saif were going to the roof. And why were they going to the roof? Why were they going to the roof, children? Yes, to fly their kites. They were going to the roof to fly their new kites. They were going to the roof to fly their new kites. Next question. I will cut down your kite. Who said these words to whom? Yes, the tall boy flying a black kite from Skyline Apartment said this to Hasmina and Saif. Next, what happened right after? What happened then? Yes, the black kite came very close to Saif's kite and cut the thread. So Saif's kite slowly went down. Okay? Next. I am good at flying kites. Who is good at flying kites, children? Yes, Sharmaji is good at flying kites. Sharmaji spelling Sharmaji. Sharmaji. Okay. Next. Why is this important? Why is this important? Yeah, this is important because Sharmaji helps Hasmina and Saif to fly their kites and cut down the black kite. So, Sharmaji also teaches Hasmina and Saif to fly their kites. Alright, next. Pull. Who said this to whom? Yes, Sharmaji said to Hasmina to pull the strings. Next. When did they say this? When did they say this? Yes, Sharmaji said this when the black kite came very close to Hasmina's kite. Alright, Sharmaji said this when the black kite came very close to Hasmina's kite. Okay, children? Now, let us see. Choose the correct answer. First one, Hasmina and Saif went to the shop with whom? With father, with mother or with Sharmaji? Yes, with father. Very good. Next, second. Hasmina and Saif went dash to fly their kites. Where did they go? To the playground, to school or to the roof? Yes, to the roof is the correct answer. Next, Hasmina and Saif were afraid of dash. With whom they are afraid? The boy flying at the black kite, their neighbor Sharmaji or the shopkeeper in the kite shop? Yes, first they were afraid of their neighbor, that is Sharmaji. Next, the tall boy's kite dash. Cut Saif's kite, cut Hasmina's kite or cut Sharmaji's kite? Yes, the answer is cut Saif's kite. Alright, children. So with this, we have completed till page number 31, children. Alright, lesson explanation has been done and this question answers and choose the correct answer bit we have finished. In the next video, I will be explaining the remaining bits. So please do learn these question answers and choose the correct answers, children. It will be your syllabus of Essay 1. So please go through the reading practice and learn compulsory. That's all for today, children. Take care. Bye-bye.